We ended our last video with a user input error. Okay, so this error is actually useful for us because Python has a way of catching errors depending on what type the error is. So we can actually do something to protect for this error and check for the error. It's a try block in Python. So we can try, we're going to try to run this n argument. If it works, fine, but if not, we're going to catch the error using an except. So we're going to catch the value error. And we can let the user know that they did something wrong. And again, we can exit if they did do something wrong. Okay, so we'll save it. I'll run. Again, we'll put A in there. And it gives a nice error code for the user. This try statement is very useful because if we can try to run a piece of code, and if it has an error, and we can catch the error with the except statement, and we can maybe run whatever code we want under the except statement. So sometimes you just might want to give the user, hey, this is where your program broke, or there might be instances where you can do some manipulations to get out of the error condition. Okay, so now we have the beginnings of our script that we can calculate the user input prime number. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. We might end up calling more functions, but for now, this is what we have. So in main, you're probably going to return some sort of result, right? So I'll put that in here. So we'll just say result equals 0. And so we might say down here when we call main, we want to get that result, and now we print out the result to the user. Okay, and so remember these %d are substitutions for integers. Okay, and so d is an integer. If you put %s, that would be a string. If you put %f, that would be a floating point number. But we're using integers now, and so we want to let the user know that the prime number, so that would be n, is r, right? That's the result. So we'll go ahead and let the user know that's the result. And so I'm going to add some comments again in here, make sure we get the comments right. Okay, I'm also going to add some comments up here. Okay, so this is sort of the shell of the script. I'm not really going to tell you how to work the problem, but now I've kind of laid out some things you will need to do, and now you can work on solving the problem. Good luck working on the problem. Be sure to ask questions from your classmates or the TAs who are helping out on Piazza on Canvas. And then once you have a good solution, go ahead and submit it to Canvas.